This YouTube video recently crossed 6 million views. Today I will tell you how you can create such simple motivational videos and start your YouTube Faceless channel. In today's video, I will attempt to create these videos solely using free AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Canva, and automate our YouTube channel. This YouTube channel earns $3,000 to $50,000 monthly, which is quite shocking. Guys, you can also create these type motivational faceless YouTube videos and earn $300 per day. Let's start with ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to suggest some good names for my inspiring quotes YouTube channel. I like this one, Quote Pursuit. I have already created a YouTube channel, so I am changing the name of the existing channel for me. Now we will use Leonardo AI to create the profile picture and banner image of the channel. You can go to app.leonardo.ai and sign up using your Gmail account. Just click on AI image generation. You can see I have generated a lot of images and playing around for a while. Click on the search box and write, "An ancient wise man with a flowing white beard and white hair and a book of ancient wisdom illuminated by a light from heaven." Now click on the Generate button. Leonardo AI will generate 4 different images for this prompt. I like this one, so now click on Remove Background and click on Download button. Once the image gets downloaded, we will upload on YouTube as profile pic for this channel. For the banner image, we will again use ChatGPT and ask, "Can you give me 10 famous short inspirational quotes?" Now copy any quote that you like. We will use Canva to create the banner image. Go to Canva and search YouTube banner and click on blank template. Now click on element and search for black background. You can select any simple black background. Right-click on the image and then click on Set Image as Background. Now click on the Add a Text box and here we will paste our quote. Adjust the text and set the size to 80. Now add another text box and here we will add the name of our channel and set the size to 50. Our banner is ready. Click on Share, then click on Download button. Now we will upload our banner image to YouTube. Click Publish to save the changes. Step 1. Script generation. For content generation, we will use ChatGPT again. We'll ask ChatGPT to write 50 famous Chinese proverbs and inspiring quotes in English. We will copy these 50 quotes and search for 11 labs on Google. Step 2. Voice generation. 11 labs will generate voiceover for these 50 quotes for us. Select Adam as a speaker and paste these 50 quotes and click on Generate button. This will take some time to generate the voiceover. Once it is generated, we will download the file. Step 3. Video editing. Now we will create a character image for our video using Leonardo AI. Go to Leonardo AI and write an old Chinese man without a beard front view. You can select any image and click on Remove Background button. Then click on the Download button. Now go to Canva again and search for YouTube video and click on the blank template. Like before, we'll select the black background and upload the character image that we've downloaded from Leonardo AI. Resize the image and click on Share button and download it in PNG format. Search on Google for DID AI. DID AI will help us to transform our character image into video. Click on Create Video and upload the image which we downloaded from Canva. Now click on Audio and we will upload the voiceover file that we downloaded from 11 labs, and click on Generate Video. This generally takes 5-10 minutes to generate the video. Then click on Download. Wait a minute, our video is not ready yet. Step 4. Adding subtitles. The last part is to add subtitles. For that, we will use v.io. Click on Create Project, and then Upload Video. Click on Subtitles in the left side of menu, and select Auto Subtitles. Leave the language as English and click on Create Subtitles. Now to change the style of subtitles, click on Styles and click on right arrow 2, 3 times and select the last style. I am using white color. You can use any other color if you want. And I am using this Abril Fatface font. Now our video is ready. Click on Export Video, then click on Download in MP4 file format. Step 5. Video upload and SEO. Now go to YouTube and upload the video. We'll use ChatGPT to generate the title and description for the video. Ask ChatGPT to suggest me some good SEO-friendly title for my YouTube video on inspirational quotes and Chinese idioms. Copy the title that like and paste in YouTube. Ask ChatGPT to write a short description for my YouTube video with title and paste the title here. Now copy the description from ChatGPT and paste it in YouTube description. Now for tags, we will ask ChatGPT suggest some long and short tags for my YouTube video with title and paste the title here. As you can see, YouTube only accepts comma-separated tags, so ask ChatGPT to give comma-separated tags. Now paste these tags in YouTube and click on Next. Now select Public and publish it. Now you can see what an amazing video we created using free AI tools. When the winds of change blow, some build walls while others build windmills. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, as it cannot be done should not interrupt the person doing it.